Welcome, in front of me Canon TX7650i, and I'm gonna show you does it have the scanner glass. Yes, this printer had the scanner glass, it's here, so it's very easy to use it because here we have an arrow that shows that corner is here. So if you wanna scan, so here is the start of scanning place. So you should locate the paper card you wanna scan in this way, aligning it to left top corner. That's cool. In this way you will be able to scan documents. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.